how you can edit a PDF on your mobile phone. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can edit a PDF and create a PDF on your mobile phone. So let's start. What you can do is you can simply go to your App Store or Play Store. Open it up and search for Adobe Scan. Here you will find the Adobe Scan, which is a PDF scanner, and you can also edit PDFs and create PDFs from simple pictures with just your mobile phone. All you have to do is simply install this application on your mobile phone. If you already have Adobe, then you can simply update it or open it up. When you open up your Adobe Scan, then you will be able to create your own scans and then you can convert them to PDF. You can also then edit that PDF on your mobile phone. If I want to go ahead and choose something from my gallery, I can go ahead and select any picture. And then I will be able to convert it to PDF. You can see right here. We can also change the name for our PDF file. You can also resize, crop, filters, markup, and delete. In filters, we get a lot of different filters to choose from, and that give your document a very clean view. We can also go ahead and resize our pages according to US letter portrait, US legal portrait, and there are other options available. Once you're done with your PDF, then you can simply go ahead and save this file, and then you will be able to share your file through any of the options available. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.